Hi, I'm Adam Mattos with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a very nice and clean machine. Usually grinders get a bit dirty just for the function that they do happen to be doing. This is an Eisen. It's a 6 by 18, so you have 6 inches by 18 inches. It's got a permanent magnetic chuck. What that means is you take this little key here, push it to this side, it's going to go ahead and take the magnetic off, put it this way, magnet's back on. Right now we have it set up, we just put a small little block on there. Everything's set. You can see it's on there nice and tight. This is a manual surface grinder, so what you're going to do, everything's going to be by hand basically. There's no automatic feeds. Right here is where you're going to do your incremental down feed. You turn that by hand each time you need to go down a little bit. We'll go ahead and start it. Let you hear the machine. You can hear the spindle. I'll put the mic right next to the spindle. You can hear it's very quiet. Nice stable machine. I'll go ahead and drop this down just a little bit. You can see the spark out. Now you'll notice there are stops right here. You can adjust these to anywhere you want. That way you know you're at the end of your piece each time. Or you can of course just pop this out and you'll have a free range of motion. We'll go ahead and keep grinding a little bit here. This machine also does have a coolant pump with it. You can take a look at the pictures and you can see that. Now Sterling Machinery not only sells the machines, but we do have a lot of the accessories that go with these machines, different chucks. We do sell grinding wheels, lights, different accessories that you might need. If you're interested in this machine or any other, we do carry new and used ones, many different brands and sizes. If you need CNC or automatic, we carry those as well. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.